unboxing. Hey, what shop do we ride for?
The Faithful Skate Shop.
Faithful Skate Shop. Bye. This is so cool.
Open it.
Wait, hold on, dude. Look. Hey guys, how you doing? So Findlay Hats over there in Oregon. You see it right there. They sent us some free product for us to review, and free product for our girls skate jam that's going to be on May 25th at Roosevelt Skate Park in San Jose. You're jumping the gun. All right, you want to open it? Here we go. Let me. We're going to do an unboxing right now. Okay, here we go. Let me get them started. Okay. Always cut away from you kids. Always cut away. All right, hold on. Wait. Same time. Let me get mine open first. Open with you. Okay. So this one was supposed to be a blind box, so you'll get a random hat of their choice. I believe it's called option 2. You can check it out. I'll put the link in the bottom description part, and then you'll get maybe some sunglasses, maybe a shirt. So that was the option 2, and then the other one was the just some product for the May 25th jam. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3, unbox. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, I got a Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll and some stickers. Got some candy. Show them. Got that. Cool. Got some stickers and some candy. So, oh, fancy wrapping paper. Show them the hat. Sick. It's the black and white. Oh man. So this is. Whoa. Got 3 hats. Sick. All right. So we got the gray and black. We'll take the roster hat for example. You say there's different ways you can rock the hat. So on the inside, guys, you see it right here. They've got the lace. You gotta want to undo the lace real quick. Just pull it out to this side. Okay. So let's say it's a windy day. You're bombing some hills. You don't want to lose your hat, dude. So pinch them down all the way right there. Okay. Down there, look at that, pull them up, boom, set to rock, look at that, stays on right there. And cool thing about these ones, guys, you can undo the strap, and then you can tie it underneath your chin, so you guys who skate and you rip hard, they'll stay on you no matter what. Look, they've got a little stash pocket. I'm gonna let them show it right there, stash pocket. You can keep little things in there, things that are illegal, you know, nowadays. And so love the overall designs. Nicholas, where you going, dude? We're still doing the filming here. We'll put him out right now. All right, my co-host is leaving us right now. But we got those. Sweet, thank you so much. Findlay Hats. We're gonna be having these at the Girls Skate Jam on May 25th. Roosevelt Skate Park. Some of these are gonna win. Oh, bro. Thank you so much, guys. Look what they threw in. Whoa! Threw in the shades there. And it's got a little pouch for those too, Nico. Sweet. These are Daddy's, huh? No? Who's the others? They're mine, dude. No, these are mine. This one's for me. This is one they threw for me. So like, you can see them. Shout them out, Findlay, right there.
Dad, what's for me?
You didn't get one because I'm the guy who owns the shop. But maybe if you're good, you'll get some shades, okay?
No, get some hats.
Some hats? We'll get that on the next one, okay? We'll do it right there, okay? So, here, we'll shoot those hats one more time there, get another shot of the hats. Dude, these are pretty sick ones. You can win them. Hey, no problem, bro. So you can see that, I got a camo one. Stop. Hey, Nico, what kind of hat do you have on right now? What kind of beanie do you got? Show them real quick. Flip it up, put it on. Hey, there's the new Faithful beanies. Available now in the shop. Those are just $10. And look, Nico, can you point at the shirts? To your left. We got the new shirts here with our new graphic right there. Got the Faithful Skate Shop, and then you see them rocking right there. Ooh, we got the Classic Bus right on the front. The nice Type 2 VW. Right, Nico, who's your favorite skate shop? Who's your favorite skate shop?
What?
Favorite skate shop? Me? What's our skate shop name? Faithful Skate Shop. Sit down real quick. Show them our boards. Look, we got these boards in. Got the San Jose Rippers, the Bumblebee ones, got our classic OG black and white ones.
And our classic game one.
Yeah, those are cool ones. It's not RTR. Let's thank you from Toy Puddle. You can can see all those. Hey, let's put the lights on. Look at the lights on. Maybe see if we can get it right here. Lights turn on. Lights turn on. Yeah, and just show them the case. Show them the case there, man. Show them the case there, Alan. Got the case all lit up right there. Your one-stop skate shop, all right here, all in front. Maple Skate Shop. All right, Nico, it's time to say goodbye. We'll wrap it up right here.
Goodbye.
All right, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more stuff for you in the coming weeks. You guys have a good one. Peace out. Nick, hey, put it up, put them up, put them up. No, other one. This one.